Struggling to add a text editor in Elementor? Master text formatting and customization in under 3 minutes. We'll start by opening your page in Elementor, then locate the text editor widget, and finally, customize its appearance. Go to Edit Home with Elementor. Click on Highlight. Click on Highlight. Click on Text Editor. Click on Paragraph. Choose type of text, if paragraph, H1, H2, or etc. Click on Italic. Click on Underline. Click on Style to change color, font, and etc. Click on Advanced. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.